This 5-minute solution will show you how to use Reels audio in Instagram story. If you're in Instagram and if you're watching Reels and you want to add a reel music to your Instagram story, first of all, open the reel and tap on this music name at the bottom left. And you have to tap on the share button and tap on add to story, and the reel will be added in your story with video and music. But we want only audio or music, right? So all you have to do is just drag this reel to make it smaller, and once done you can rotate the reel like this. Now you have to put this reel outside of your story frame, but make sure the music is still playing. Now tap on sticker and you can upload your own photo from your gallery. Then make the photo bigger and tap on send, share, done. Once the story added, let's check it. So here's now I'm tapping on story, and here you can see the story has been added with the reel audio, and anyone will be able to easily view the main reel by tapping on watch full reel. This is how we can add Instagram story using reel music. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.